Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack. Thanks for joining us. If you're learning English and want to sound more natural and confident, this episode is just for you.
Because today, we're exploring 60 powerful intermediate words that every English learner should know, and not just the meanings, but how to actually use them in real conversations. We'll go through each word, talk about it, share similar words, and give you examples in real-life context. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast. Let's get started.
Okay, first word, hesitate. You know when you're unsure and you pause before doing something?
Yeah, like when someone offers you spicy food and you're not sure if you should try it. That little pause, that's hesitation.
Exactly. It means you're not acting immediately. Synonyms: pause, delay. Example, she hesitated before answering the question.
Next one, reliable. Oh, I love this word.
Me too. A reliable person is someone you can count on. Someone who always shows up or keeps their promises.
Like Jack, always on time for our podcasts.
Haha, thanks. Synonyms: dependable, trustworthy. Example, he's a reliable friend, I trust him completely. Alright, the next word is curious. This describes someone who really wants to know or learn things.
Like a child always asking why, that's curiosity in action.
Exactly. Synonyms would be inquisitive, interested. Example, I'm curious about how this machine works.
Word number 4 is exhausted. Oh, I use this one a lot after work.
Same here. It means extremely tired. More than just tired, completely drained. Synonyms: worn out, fatigued. Example, after running 10 kilometers, he was absolutely exhausted.
Next up is encourage. This is such a positive word. It means to give someone support or confidence to do something.
Right. Like when you tell your friend, you've got this. Synonyms: support, inspire. Example, my teacher encouraged me to follow my dreams.
Word 6, frustrated. This one is important because we all feel it when something doesn't go the way we want.
Yep, like when the internet keeps disconnecting while you're working. Synonyms: irritated, annoyed. Example, she was frustrated with her slow progress.
Next is generous. A generous person shares what they have with others' time, money, or kindness.
It's a beautiful quality. Synonyms: kind, giving. Example, he's always generous with his advice.
Word 8, depend on. This is a phrasal verb. It means you can trust someone or something.
Like, I can depend on Emma to remind me of meetings. Synonyms: rely on, trust. Example, you can depend on him to finish the job.
Number 9 is confident. A confident person believes in themselves and their abilities.
Very important for learning a language. Synonyms: self-assured, bold. Example, she felt confident before her presentation.
And 10, reduce. It means to make something smaller or less.
Like reduce stress, reduce costs. Synonyms: decrease, cut down. Example, we need to reduce plastic use.
We're just getting warmed up. Let's keep going.
Word 11 is impress. When you do something that makes others admire you.
Like giving a great speech. Synonyms: amaze, wow. Example, his skills impressed the whole team.
12, frequent. It means something that happens often.
Like frequent headaches or frequent visits to the gym. Synonyms: regular, repeated. Example, she's a frequent traveler.
Word 13 is unique. It means one of a kind, different from everything else.
Like your voice, your ideas, those can be unique. Synonyms: special, distinct. Example, that painting is very unique.
Let's go with number 14, overcome. This means to successfully deal with a problem or difficulty.
Like overcoming fear or obstacles. Synonyms: conquer, defeat. Example, she overcame her fear of public speaking. 15, aware. It means you know or notice something.
Like being aware of the risks before taking a decision. Synonyms: conscious, informed. Example, I'm aware of the consequences.
All right, that's 15 down, 45 to go. Are you still with us, listeners?
We hope you're enjoying this. Don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast for more powerful words, tips, and real English conversations.
Stick with us as we go deeper into the next set of vocabulary. It's only going to get better.
Word 16 is achievement. It means something important that you succeed in doing, especially after hard work.
Like graduating from university or learning a new language. Synonyms: accomplishment, success. Example: finishing the marathon was a big achievement for him.
17 delay. That's when something happens later than planned.
Like a delayed flight. Synonyms: postpone, hold up. Example: the meeting was delayed due to technical problems.
18 is respect. It means thinking highly of someone because of their qualities or actions.
We all need a little more respect in the world. Synonyms: admiration, honor. Example: she earned the respect of her team.
Word 19 improve. It means to become better or to make something better.
We all want to improve our English, right? Synonyms: develop, enhance. Example: reading books helped her improve her vocabulary.
Next, number 20 balance. It means keeping things in the right proportion.
Like balancing work and life. Synonyms: stability, harmony. Example: it's hard to find balance between study and fun.
21 is challenge. That's something difficult but also motivating.
Like learning 60 new words in one podcast. Synonyms: test, obstacle. Example: climbing that mountain was a real challenge.
22 responsible. This means you do what is right and take care of things or people.
A responsible person keeps promises and meets deadlines. Synonyms: reliable, trustworthy. Example: she is responsible for managing the project.
Word 23 is combine. That's when you mix or bring things together.
Like combining grammar with speaking practice. Synonyms: mix, blend. Example: we combined all our ideas into one plan.
24 is growth. It means becoming bigger or better over time.
Like the growth of a child or even personal growth. Synonyms: development, progress. Example: this year showed a lot of growth in his skills.
25 mention. This means to talk about something briefly.
Not explain everything, just mention it. Synonyms: say, refer to. Example: he mentioned your name in the meeting.
26 is trust. It's the belief that someone or something is reliable.
Very important in friendships. Synonyms: faith, confidence. Example: I trust her with my secrets.
Let's go with rare for number 27. It means something that doesn't happen often.
Like snow in summer. Synonyms: unusual, uncommon. Example: it's rare to see him angry.
28 is maintain. It means to keep something going or in good condition.
Like maintaining good health. Synonyms: preserve, continue. Example: it's hard to maintain motivation sometimes.
Next up, emotional. That's number 29. It means full of strong feelings.
Like crying during a sad movie. Synonyms: sensitive, passionate. Example: it was an emotional speech.
And 30 predict. It means to say what you think will happen in the future.
Like predicting the weather. Synonyms: forecast, expect. Example: experts predict a rise in temperatures. Wow, Jack, that was our first 30 words.
Time really flies when you're learning something exciting.
We still have 30 more powerful words to go. So if you're loving this podcast, don't forget to follow English Podcast and leave a comment.
Let's jump into the second half. Word 31 is concentrate. It means to focus your attention on something.
Like when you're studying and you turn off your phone. Synonyms are focus, pay attention. Example: she couldn't concentrate because of the noise.
Word 32 is permanent. It means something that lasts forever or for a very long time.
Like a permanent tattoo or a permanent job. Synonyms are lasting, fixed. Example: he got a permanent position at the company.
33 is effort. It means the energy you use to do something.
Learning a new language takes a lot of effort. Synonyms are attempt, energy. Example: she put a lot of effort into her project.
Word 34 is aware. It means knowing about something.
Like being aware of the time or your surroundings. Synonyms are conscious, informed. Example: are you aware of the new rules?
35 is escape. It means to get away from a place or a situation.
Like escaping from danger or a boring conversation. Synonyms are flee, run away. Example: He tried to escape through the back door.
Next is flexible, word 36. It means being able to change easily.
Like having a flexible schedule or being flexible in decisions. Synonyms are adaptable, adjustable. Example, my teacher is flexible with deadlines.
37 is journey. It means traveling from one place to another.
Or it can mean your life journey, your personal growth. Synonyms are trip, voyage. Example, the journey to success is never easy.
38 is opportunity. It means a chance to do something.
Like a job opportunity or a chance to learn. Synonyms are chance, possibility. Example, this course is a great opportunity for students.
Word 39 is struggle. It means a difficult experience or hard effort.
Like the struggle to wake up early. Synonyms are battle, effort. Example, she had to struggle to make ends meet.
40 is creative. It means having the ability to make or think of new things.
Like writing stories or painting pictures. Synonyms are imaginative, original. Example, he's very creative with ideas.
41 is risk. It means a situation that might be dangerous or lead to loss.
Taking a risk can sometimes lead to great rewards. Synonyms are danger, chance. Example, starting a business involves risk.
42 is frequently. It means something happens often.
Like frequently checking your phone. Synonyms are often, regularly. Example, she visits her grandparents frequently.
Next up is polite, word 43. It means being respectful and using good manners.
Like saying please and thank you. Synonyms are respectful, courteous. Example, the waiter was very polite.
44 is avoid. It means to stay away from something.
Like avoiding junk food or problems. Synonyms are escape, dodge. Example, try to avoid unnecessary stress.
45 is complicated. It means something is hard to understand or deal with.
Like a complicated math problem or relationship. Synonyms are complex, difficult. Example, the instructions were too complicated.
Word 46 is behave. It means to act in a proper or polite way.
Kids should behave well in class. Synonyms are act, conduct. Example, he always behaves respectfully.
47 is connect. It means to join or link together.
We connect through language, culture, and technology. Synonyms are join, link. Example, the two computers are connected.
48 is curious. It means wanting to know or learn more.
Children are naturally curious. Synonyms are inquisitive, interested. Example, she was curious about space.
49 is patient. It means staying calm when things are slow or difficult.
A patient teacher makes a big difference. Synonyms are calm, tolerant. Example, be patient when learning something new.
50 is organize. It means to arrange things in order or plan them well.
Like organizing your desk or your ideas. Synonyms are arrange, structure. Example, she organized the event perfectly.
51 is confident. It means believing in yourself and your abilities.
Confident speakers impress the audience. Synonyms are self-assured, bold. Example, he sounded very confident during the interview.
52 is unique. It means one of a kind or special.
Everyone has a unique talent. Synonyms are special, one of a kind. Example, her style is really unique.
53 is prefer. It means to like one thing more than another.
I prefer coffee over tea. Synonyms are favor, choose. Example, most people prefer working from home. Word 55 is suitable. It means something is right or appropriate for a situation. Synonyms are appropriate, proper. Example, this movie is not suitable for children.
56 is improve. It means to make something better. Synonyms are enhance, develop. Example, she wants to improve her English skills.
57 is temporary. It means something that doesn't last forever. Synonyms are short-term, momentary. Example, this job is only temporary until I graduate.
58 is recommend. It means to suggest something as good or useful. Synonyms are suggest, advise. Example, I recommend this book for learning vocabulary.
59 is achieve. It means to reach a goal or succeed at something. Synonyms are accomplish, attain, Example, she achieved her dream of becoming a doctor.
And finally, word 60 is valuable. It means something that is great worth or importance. Synonyms are precious, meaningful. Example, your time is valuable, so use it wisely.
And that wraps up our list of 60 essential intermediate English words. We hope you enjoyed learning with us.
Remember, learning vocabulary is one of the most powerful ways to boost your fluency. Use these words in your daily conversations, writing, and thoughts.
If you found this podcast helpful, don't forget to subscribe to English Podcast for more fun and useful content.
And hey, share it with your friends too. Let's grow together, one word at a time.
Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and stay awesome.